Hey, what's up everybody? This is Joshua Casper back at you with another tutorial. This is just a real quick one. I just did a video on the SurferEQ 2 and I was talking about how awesome it was, and I mentioned that I really like it to have a dynamic EQ, meaning the EQ curves here, the EQ filters would dynamically adjust how much and how little to cut or to boost depending on the incoming audio from the sidechain. So if you're looking to find out more about the surfer function down here and how these glide along to the incoming harmonics, I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now, but if you wanna know how to set that up inside Ableton Live or learn more about it, check out that other video. Obviously the links in the video description are in the cards here on YouTube. But I want to talk about that dynamic feature that is about amplitude and not about frequency position, because it actually has that, and I overlooked it, and that's my bad, and I apologize to the good people at SoundRadix for making that oversight there. So what it is the GTE mode. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these off for a second. And you'll see as I'm turning them on and turning them off, they're actually moving. This is what I had in the tutorial before. One more to turn off.
New days are born, new days are born.
So you'll see that the vocal is sidechained to the group with the piano and the lead, and when the vocal isn't happening, I'm still cutting those frequencies of the piano and the lead, and I don't want that to happen. I only want to cut those frequencies when the vocal is actually happening. So to do that, you got to turn on GTE mode for these. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you'll see that it automatically moves because it's going to not cut anything until the vocal is coming through the sidechain. So if I turn those 3 or 4 on right there, watch what happens now.
New days are born, new days are born.
And then we can actually affect that using the threshold control over here. You can see the GTE threshold right here.
New days are born, new days are born. New days are born.
So this is just going to adjust how sensitive it is to the incoming signal. So if there's like a vocal and you've got some sort of, breath sound that you don't want to trigger the filters, you can use the threshold there. So this isn't exactly a dynamic EQ for amplitude, but it is exactly what I wanted and all I really needed to make SurferEQ 2 the best EQ plugin for functions like this. It's just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys that it is available. Someone did ask on that last video, but definitely go check out that other video because it's got all the other information that I'm kind of glossing over here right now. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.